This is just a quick video about the Elecfreaks Freaks3d 3D printer. I apologize for the lighting and video quality already. I bought this one as a kit. It took me about, I'd say 8-10 hours total to assemble, put it together. The instructions that came on the micro SD card were good enough to figure it out. Currently I am printing a bag holder. This is the third item I have printed from this unit. I am running it at a feed rate of 130%. Seems to be filling just fine. No real anomalies. Everything comes out structurally well. I still have to tidy up the wiring. Just finished putting it together this morning, so I haven't finished tying back the wires yet. One thing that I did have to do that wasn't in the instructions, on the Z-axis motor, the mount right there, the yellow piece of plastic you see, I think the holes were misdrilled or misprinted from the factory. You really can't see it in the light, but I had to loosen the two bolts that take it into the crossbar and put some shims behind it. It's this little rubber coupler that they use to couple the Z shaft to the stepper. It was misaligned and it was twisting up that plastic real bad and causing the motor to grind. So I just shimmed the mount right there, brought it out about, I'd say, 3 millimeters, and then the Z-axis ran just fine. It is a good little printer, prints pretty well. Then again, I am this is my first 3D printer, so take that with a grain of salt.